What's up, y'all? Sky and Water with a Goolrc t5g. I've had it for about a week. It's a really fun flyer. It reminds me a lot of the JJRC H31, the way it flies. I don't know if it's on the same platform or not, but anyway, we're gonna give it a quick fly. It's got an on switch. Let's flip it on. It's got a 2 megapixel 720 feed. We're going to turn on the remote, which reminds me a lot of the 109 controller from Hubsan. It says loading. And we've got FPV. Okay, great. Put it in the second mode at least, or third mode. And I'm not doing that right. Let's see. There we go, third mode. We'll give it a record, long press on the bottom until it's blinking red. Alright. You can give it a fly out. It's got good range. I know Jay Jern has reviewed this and he got great range. It's got a little bit of a pitch to it too. Flying against the wind there. Bring it down to us. Give you a look-see. Alright, let's go ahead and do a backing up. It does do flips, it's pretty fun. I haven't done any manual flips with this. You know what? It might not flip while it's recording. Let's give it a dive. You know, I know this is getting boring, so I don't know why it's not flipping. It won't when it's recording. Let's take it off recording. See if it'll flip now. No? Huh. Oh well. I mean, it does flip. I've had it flipping before. Maybe the battery's just a little low or something. I don't know. FPV is good on it. Let's give that a check. One thing I don't like about this is it has no LVC alarm other than the lights, which they're just not bright enough during the day to notice. So you got to kind of keep it close. I've got some 600 milliamp batteries in there, and it lasts about 7 minutes, something along those lines. 6-7 minutes. Good looking copter though. I really like the way it flies. Very responsive. We don't have much wind today. Anyway, it's a long video, I know. Let's go ahead and bring this guy in, give her a catch. Alright, the Goolrc t5g fun flyer, 50 bucks, something along those lines. Amazon. Take it easy, y'all.
Hey y'all, thanks for hanging out with us. Second set. What a beautiful day here at Highland Brewing Company, right? Blue Ridge Mountain style. So nice, so nice, so nice. That was a song called Love Ja with the Chow Wow Band, and we appreciate y'all being out here.